Hey everybody, Father TJ here. One final update here on the flood test. The water is now 18 inches high. We're just mentioning that if it ever gets that high in Kingwood, we are all going to be in big trouble. But that is a lot of water. We figure there's about 3,000 pounds of water here that's pressing up against this glass. And it is a successful flood test with the moat. So I'm going to stay on here just because I want to see the water release. Because what's going to happen is they're going to end up pulling this moat barrier, and the water is just going to flow out from this little fissure created down to the land below. So I am optimistic. FloodSafe USA, thank you. Incredible work, incredible job. The windows are sealed. Water is not going to get in. So if we ever get this much water again, if it floods as bad again in Kingwood or St. Martha's, we're going to end up being okay. And I think they're going to cut it down. That's it. FloodSafe USA, good work.